Since AI is really everywhere at this moment, I want to make you a very brief tutorial about how to use ChatGPT. When we speak about AI or artificial intelligence, we often speak about ChatGPT, which is created by OpenAI, but there's also Copilot from Microsoft and Gemini from Google. ChatGPT is a language model, and this means that you can ask questions, or you can even create content, which can be text, images, and you can even create audio like songs and videos through AI. Once you go to the website chatgpt.com, you /auth/login, make sure that you're at the right website. You can register for free, and you can sign in by using your Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple account, or you can use your own email. It's free. Let's use Google. Once signed in, you will have this, and it's in Dutch. For you, it will be in English probably, and it says like create an image, make an interview, or like a curriculum vitae. You can even create coding for HTML, CSS, Python, whatever you want, and so it's really interesting. ChatGPT, I'm using the 3.5 right now, which is free. The 4.0 is not for free. It has a cost of $20 a month, and it is able to do more than just answering questions, basically. It also has an app which you can use on your phone. So you can ask anything. You can ask like, what is Kakuma? And then it will be generating what Kakuma is. And it's a refugee camp, and it is using basically all of the information which is available on the internet. And so this means that when I'm asking the question again for a second time, I will get different information. I will get the information in a different way, but it should be having the same information or content. It can be wrong though. You can find information which is not really accurate. And so that is why it's mentioning at the very bottom that ChatGPTs can make mistakes. And then you can judge how it goes. You can read it, and you can say if it's not good or maybe it is really good. You can share it, the prompt. This is what I made. What is Kakuma? And then you can use it and share it with others. So this is a prompt, and the prompt is something what is really important. So I would like to know, let me tell you this. So I'm a social media expert, and I'm working for an NGO working on education. I would like to have 5 messages for to be shared on Facebook, which are highlighting the importance of education in Kakuma. Our project is called Kakuma Project, and we are working on quality education in Kakuma. So what is really important is to give context, and you can say I'm a lawyer, I'm an educator, I'm a teacher, I'm a student, I am a coder, a web developer. You can say first who you are, because that will affect what you do. Most prompts are not just like a few words like in Google, they are a few sentences giving a good background. But you can create business models, legal stuff. You can create a thesis when you're going to university and going to school. You can create whatever you need, information about climate change and how to teach about it. You can create lesson plans as a teacher. You can even create presentations. So that is why this is really important. Give context. Explain a little bit what you're going to do. Don't say like, I want a business model. Say what you're doing, what your business is, what you aim to do, etc., etc. And when you try to find information, this is going to give you like message one, what message two, even with like emojis, and it's really really cool. If you're doing this in Bing or in Google Gemini, you will even get like images which you can use with those social media messages. You can stop as well because don't want to wait on this information. Now, I need HTML code. So can you give me HTML code coding with a list with the days of the week? We all know that this will be the UL and then the LE code. So let's see what it's giving. Isn't this great? It's giving you the code you need, and you just can copy the code to your coding editor, to your software, and it's just done. You can create it as you would like. I want a picture. There are better tools to do this, but ChatGPT is able to do it as well. Actually, ChatGPT 4, the paid version, is able to create really good images, but let's try to do it in 3. Sometimes it's working in a free version as well, and sometimes it isn't. So I want a picture of, let's say, the Pope sitting on a horse, because you can create images which are not real, you know. You can ask questions from people in space, it can be something funny, it can be in typical style. Let's see what it's doing here. And it is generating this image for me. You can do a different thing as well. You can make a picture of an assignment. You can create a picture of an examination, an exam, which is blanco. You can upload it here at the left, and then you can ask like, give me the right answers. So AI is really, really powerful. I can download this image and it's showing me whatever I want. And then you can say, and this is different from Google as well, it's not forgetting my question basically. So I already asked for like an image with the Pope, and now I can change and I can say like, I want the horse to be black and it has to have a cartoon style. It has to be a painting. It has to be a painting with Dali style. Dali was a famous painter from Spain. So you can just proceed with your previous question. You don't have to explain anymore that you need like a picture or an image of a pope sitting on a horse. I want the horse to be black, etc. And then you can go on. And at a certain point, it will say like, you know, this is it for today. Your credits are used. It's free, but you cannot generate like more than 50 images. I think it's just like 5 maybe. It depends on the day. Sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 10. You can see this is like a painting in the Dali style with a black horse, you know, and then you can just freewheel with it. And so yeah, that is how ChatGPT is working. What you have been searching for, you can find those prompts at the left, so you can reuse them next time, and hopefully you will enjoy how this is working and you can play with it and even teach it to the students as well. Thank you.